Ever wondered what keeps you standing tall, bending, and moving? Meet the vertebrae, the building blocks of your spine. In this video, we'll explore their structure, function, and why they're so important for your body's movement and protection. Let's dive in. The human spine has 33 vertebrae, divided into 5 regions. Cervical, 7, neck region, supports the head, C1, C7. Thoracic, 12, connects to ribs, stabilizes the upper body, T1, T12. Lumbar, 5, lower back, bears most body weight, L1, L5. Sacral, 5, fused, forms the sacrum, connects spine to pelvis. Coccygeal, 4, fused, forms the coccyx, tailbone. The cervical vertebrae are like the delicate yet strong neck of a finely crafted sculpture. They consist of 7 vertebrae, labeled C1 through C7, and are the topmost part of the spine. These vertebrae support the skull and allow for the incredible range of motion that enables us to nod, shake our heads, and turn from side to side. The first cervical vertebra, called the atlas, is unique. It doesn't have a body like the other vertebrae but instead is a ring that holds up the skull, allowing us to nod up and down. The second vertebra, the axis, is equally special, with a peg-like projection, called the odontoid process, that fits into the atlas, allowing the head to rotate side to side, like when we shake our heads in disbelief. The thoracic vertebrae are like the steady middle section of the spine, providing strength and stability. They consist of 12 vertebrae, labeled T1 through T12, and are located in the upper and mid-back region. These vertebrae are unique because they are the ones that connect to the ribs, forming the rib cage that protects vital organs like the heart and lungs. The shape of the thoracic vertebrae is built for endurance and support rather than mobility. They have longer, downward-pointing spinous processes, the bony protrusions you can feel along your back, and are less flexible than the cervical or lumbar vertebrae, allowing them to act as a solid anchor for the rib cage. This design provides a stable, protective framework that helps maintain an upright posture and allows the body to absorb impact and pressure. The lumbar vertebrae are the powerhouses of the spine, designed to carry much of the body's weight and provide the strength needed for movement and flexibility. Located in the lower back, there are 5 lumbar vertebrae, labeled L1 through L5. These vertebrae are larger and thicker than the cervical and thoracic vertebrae because they bear the majority of the weight from the upper body. The lumbar region is where much of our flexibility and strength come from, allowing us to bend, twist, and lift with ease. These vertebrae are built for stability and support, with their wide bodies and strong structures. Unlike the more rigid thoracic vertebrae, the lumbar vertebrae offer greater mobility, helping us with everything from bending down to pick something up to performing athletic movements like twisting or lifting. The sacrum is a large, triangular bone at the base of the spine, composed of 5 fused vertebrae, S1, S5. It forms the back portion of the pelvis and connects the spine to the hip bones, ilium, via the sacroiliac joints. Think of the sacrum as a sort of bridge that links the upper body to the lower body, transferring weight from the spine to the legs. The coccyx, also known as the tailbone. This small, triangular structure is made up of 3 to 5 fused vertebrae and is a remnant of a tail our distant ancestors once had. The coccyx might seem like an afterthought, but it serves as an attachment point for several muscles, tendons, and ligaments, especially those involved in sitting and maintaining balance. The vertebrae get larger as you go down the spine because the lower parts need to support more weight and withstand more pressure, providing strength and stability to the entire body. Intervertebral discs are key to maintaining spinal health, flexibility, and the ability to move without putting undue stress on the vertebrae. The vertebrae create a robust system that protects the delicate spinal cord, which passes through vertebral foramen and carries vital nerve signals between the brain and the body. And that wraps up our look at the incredible vertebrae. These bones do so much more than just keep us upright, they protect, support, and help us move every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, this is Shady signing off and I'll see you in the next one.